Thank you for calling on service. This is Johannes Aul Ramos speaking. How may I help you? Certainly, sir. Do you have the menu with you? It's on table next to your bed. Did you see it? May I have your name and room number, please? Thank you for the information. Okay, Mr. Vince Opesa. The room is 403. May I take your orders? Would you like bread and egg? How about some drinks to go with it? Is there anything else that you would like to order? Okay, Mr. Vince Pesa, may I repeat your order? Your order is bread. Is that correct? The order will deliver within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like to deliver it right away or at a specific time? The total amount of your bill is 1,000 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room? Thank you. Have a nice day.